Max Helps by Dan Burkins and Kim Yaris. Amy loved to build things. She got some new blocks for her birthday. She built a castle. It was very tall. "Look at my castle," she said. Then Max came to her. Max knocked over Amy's castle. "Oh no, Max," said Amy. Amy took the blocks to the den. She built a bridge. She worked very hard on it. "I built a bridge," she said. Mom liked the bridge too. Max saw the bridge. He wanted to help again. "No, Max," said Amy. Down came the bridge. Amy took the blocks to her room. "Stay away, Max," she said. Amy pushed Max out. Amy worked hard all day. She built a city. Then she saw Max. He wanted to help again. "Okay, Max," said Amy. "We can help each other." Max just wants to help his big sister with her building, but he keeps causing problems.